How's it going? So Cal Drift Trikes just coming with another video. In the first part of my video, I'm going to be building this frame. I'm going to be welding it together. Obviously it's already done. I'm going to show you in the first part we tack weld this spot and down here, right underneath this plate actually, we tack welded it in there. So to hold this whole thing nice and steady. Then we welded along this top. Then we were going to weld this part on just to here. Then we decided to make a couple of plates. That's going to be in the video as well. And we cut these, there's like one inch thick steel, and just cut those into these plates right here and welded them on both sides for extra strength. Then we set to the back part and we welded these guys on the back, and then we wanted to figure out a good way to hold it in the front. So what we did is we cut another piece of the steel that was about that long and cut that steel, and then did a little bit of blacksmithing and wrapped it around and welded that on, so we got nice firm contact points everywhere. So this thing's really overbuilt by a lot, but that's what I wanted. I wanted someone to be able to get on this thing that's 300 plus pounds and be able to ride it without breaking it. So we got some beastly welds to do it. Now all I have to do now is grind these down, and I'm about to do that. So here we go. Now you just take a wire brush and brush this off. Got a little bit more paint to go.
That's not a good place to be. You sure they're not going to blind your little thing?
Hopefully not. Shitty. Burned a hole in it too. Bitch. And the top as well. Think I can fill it?
Yeah, just click the trigger on and off, and it'll fill it.
There we go.
Good.
Miss?
I can't tell.
Okay. Here we go. That's after someone who knows how to weld did some. Mine was way uglier. But I'm just going to grind this down. Easy cheesy. made this piece. Now we're tacking.
Is that where you want to be?
Perfect.
Okay. You need to keep the same distance all the time.
All right, here we go.
What, long blow does you take or what?
Alright, here's what we have so far. Welded the back piece on now. Here, down here. We put on this plate. We're going to wrap this plate around. You can see all my ugly welds, but it's coming along good.
Bit of that.
Look at the one-arm technique. I like that.
Every technique in line is one arm.
Well, yeah, but, you know. Jesse James, eat your heart out. We're blacksmithing. Lyle, will you do me a favor when we melt this alien face off when you get a chance? An alien was bugging me. Now we're talking. Nice. So here we go. We are pretty much completed with the welding. Got everything welded up real good. Not the prettiest of welds by any means, but sure as hell will be the strongest. Adequate. Okay, they're adequate. That's coming from a master welder. Adequate. Melted the alien face. So now we're just going to grind these away until you don't see any seams. Good to go. Drift Trike frame. And that is all.
Stuff is flying over here. Ow!
Now through the neck. So after a lot of that, then you get this. Well, it's a little bit better. Let's see him ground this down, ground all that down. It's a little bit more.